Microsoft Office is a suite of software applications. It helps you with office tasks. These tasks include writing, calculating, and presenting. Office is widely used in homes, schools, and businesses. Learning Office can improve your productivity. It can also make you more marketable in today's job market. This essay will guide you through the basics of Microsoft Office. We will cover 5 key applications. These are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. Whether you're a student, professional, or home user, understanding these tools will be greatly beneficial. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing application. It allows you to create professional-looking documents. You can use Word for letters, reports, essays, and more. Word offers a wide range of features. You can easily format text, insert images, and create tables. One helpful tip is to use the Styles feature. Styles let you apply consistent formatting throughout your document. For example, you can use the Heading 1 style for all your main headings. This ensures a uniform look and saves you time. Word also has a built-in spell checker and grammar checker. Use these tools to ensure your writing is error-free. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that has become an essential tool in both professional and personal settings. It helps you organize and analyze data efficiently, making it easier to manage large amounts of information. Excel uses rows and columns to store information in a structured manner, allowing for easy navigation and manipulation of data. This information can be numbers, text, or formulas, providing flexibility in how you use and present your data. Excel's strength lies in its powerful formulas and functions, which can perform a wide range of calculations and data manipulations. Formulas allow you to perform calculations on your data, from simple arithmetic to complex statistical analyses. For example, you can use a formula to add up a column of numbers, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Functions are pre-built formulas that make complex calculations easier and more accessible, even for those with limited technical skills. One useful function is sum, which quickly adds a range of cells, streamlining the process of totaling data. Excel also lets you create charts and graphs, transforming raw data into visual representations that are easier to understand. Visualizing your data can help you identify trends and patterns, making it easier to draw meaningful conclusions and make informed decisions. For beginners, start by learning basic formulas like sum, average, and count, which are foundational for many common spreadsheet tasks. These functions will cover many common spreadsheet tasks, providing a solid foundation for more advanced Excel capabilities as you become more comfortable with the program. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. It helps you create dynamic and visually appealing slideshows. PowerPoint allows you to combine text, images, videos, and animations. You can use PowerPoint for business presentations, school projects, or even personal photo albums. When creating a presentation, start with a clear outline of your key points. Keep your slides concise and easy to read. Use visuals to illustrate your message and engage your audience. PowerPoint offers various slide layouts and design themes. Experiment with different options to find a style that suits your needs. Remember to practice your presentation to ensure a smooth delivery. Managing emails and tasks with Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is an email client and personal information manager. It helps you stay organized by managing your emails, calendars, contacts, and tasks. Outlook allows you to send and receive emails. It also lets you schedule appointments and set reminders. One useful feature is the focused inbox. This feature automatically sorts your important emails from less important ones. You can also create folders to organize your emails by category. Outlook's calendar is another valuable tool. It allows you to schedule meetings, set reminders for deadlines, and share your availability with others. Organizing notes with OneNote. Microsoft. OneNote is a digital note-taking application. It allows you to capture and organize your thoughts, ideas, and information in one place. OneNote notebooks are structured like physical notebooks. They contain sections and pages. You can type, write, or draw your notes. You can also add images, audio recordings, and even web clippings. OneNote is a great tool for students. You can use it to take class notes, organize research materials, and collaborate on group projects. Professionals can use OneNote to capture meeting minutes, brainstorm ideas, and track project tasks. OneNote's search functionality makes it easy to find the information you need. Boosting productivity with Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office offers several features that can boost your productivity. Whether you're working on a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, Microsoft Office has tools designed to make your tasks easier and more efficient. One such feature is the ribbon. The ribbon is a toolbar that provides quick access to commonly used commands, making it easier to find the tools you need without having to navigate through multiple menus. The ribbon is a toolbar that provides quick access to commonly used commands. It is organized into tabs that group related commands together, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. Familiarize yourself with the ribbon to streamline your workflow. By understanding how to use the ribbon effectively, you can save time and increase your productivity. Another helpful feature is shortcuts. Shortcuts are keyboard combinations that allow you to execute commands quickly without having to use the mouse. Shortcuts are keyboard combinations that allow you to execute commands quickly. For example, Ctrl+C copies the selected text, and Ctrl+V pastes it. For example, Ctrl+C copies the selected text, making it easy to duplicate information without having to retype it, and Ctrl+V pastes it. This can be especially useful when working with large amounts of text or data. Mastering shortcuts can save you significant time and effort. Consider using templates. Templates provide pre-designed layouts for various documents and presentations, which can save you time and ensure a professional look. Templates provide pre-designed layouts for various documents and presentations. This can save you time and ensure a professional look. Microsoft Office offers a wide range of templates for free, covering everything from resumes to business reports. This can save you time and ensure a professional look. You can customize these templates to fit your specific needs, adding your own text, images, and branding. Microsoft Office offers a wide range of templates for free. By taking advantage of these features, you can boost your productivity and make the most of your time. Integrating Office apps for seamless workflow. One of the significant advantages of Microsoft Office is the seamless integration between its applications. This integration allows users to work more efficiently by reducing the need to switch between different software programs. Instead, you can perform a variety of tasks within the same suite of applications, making your workflow smoother and more cohesive. You can easily share data and content between different Office apps. This means that whether you're working on a spreadsheet in Excel, a presentation in PowerPoint, or a document in Word, you can transfer information seamlessly. This capability is particularly useful for collaborative projects where multiple team members need to access and edit the same files. For example, you can embed an Excel chart into a Word document. This feature is incredibly useful for creating reports that require detailed data analysis. By embedding charts, you ensure that your data is presented clearly and professionally, without having to recreate it in a different format. Or insert a PowerPoint slide into an Outlook email. This makes it easy to share your presentations with colleagues or clients directly through email, without needing to attach separate files. It streamlines communication and ensures that your recipients have all the information they need in one place. This integration streamlines your workflow and enhances productivity. By reducing the time spent on transferring data between different applications, you can focus more on the actual content and less on the logistics of managing your files. Another way to integrate Office apps is through linking. Linking allows you to create dynamic connections between different files and applications, ensuring that your data is always up to date. Linking allows you to connect data from one app to another. This is particularly useful for maintaining consistency across different documents and presentations. For instance, you can link an Excel chart to a Word document. This means that any updates you make to the chart in Excel will automatically be reflected in the Word document, ensuring that your data is always current. When you update the chart in Excel, the changes will automatically reflect in the Word document. This feature saves you from the hassle of manually updating multiple files and ensures that your information is always accurate. This dynamic linking ensures data consistency and saves you from manually updating multiple files. It also reduces the risk of errors, as you only need to update your data in one place. Explore the different integration options to maximize the power of Microsoft Office. By taking full advantage of these features, you can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure that your workflow is as efficient as possible. Conclusion: your journey to Office mastery. This essay provided an overview of Microsoft Office and its key applications. Remember that practice is crucial for mastering any software. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and explore the various resources available online. Microsoft Office offers a wide range of possibilities. By investing time and effort, you can harness its full potential and enhance your productivity significantly. As you become more comfortable with the basics, delve deeper into advanced features. Explore online tutorials and courses to expand your knowledge. The more you learn and practice, the more proficient you will become in using Microsoft Office to achieve your personal and professional goals.